guys, Outdoor Gaming here, and today we are filming a wagon video. So Jake here is my friend, and this is Adler. And Jake, what was that? anyway. So Jake is going to be pulling Adler. Well, first he's going to pull the wagon. He's going to pass the wagon to me. And then Adler's going to jump in the wagon.
But you can't be looking at.
Why do you keep falling? And he's going to pass me the wagon. And then Adler's going to jump in the wagon.
No, I'll pass you the wagon.
No, Jake will. And then you're going to jump in.
Your light is off, by the way.
That's okay. We can see. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
2.
All right. Wait. Autofocus. The focus is like...
Just unpause. It'll work. Right, ready?
Yeah, okay. It's unpaused.
1, go.
The focus ain't working itself out. I can't run. I'm running up. He's in. I'm passing the phone.
Yeah, he's in. He's in.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.